kayo mamaya.
Ingat po. Ingat po. Come again. Char. Tayo, lipat tayo mamaya. Hindi na malapit po. Bilisan nyo. Hindi pa magsabi ko uwi na eh. Should be so happy. Sige, wow, yung background.
Right, each of you will pick a question from this little box right here, and you have 30 seconds to deliver your answer.
Now, once your 30 seconds are up, you're going to hear this sound. So make every second count. So ladies, we repeat each of you. I'm so proud of you guys. Let's get this started, right, Joe? Okay, ladies, good luck.
All right, let's begin the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 question and answer segment, and we are starting with you,
Quezon Province.
Quezon Province.
Isa mo, albo yung mic. Shit.
Okay, good one. Are you ready?
Ba't may lalaki?
Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life?
Shit.
My grandmother put me through school, and the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is someone who has a big heart and took care of me ever since I was a kid. And I do think that if my grandmother is someone that I can look up to, she is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Next we have Pablo.
Ayun na si Akla. Diba?
What is your breakthrough or biggest achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Tangkoy pa rin.
Being here in this prestigious pageant or this Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is my greatest achievement. The Taryn Award is someone who doesn't really limit herself when it comes to her achievements. Where I step here in this Miss Universe Philippines and I see the transformation, the improvement, and how I was able to become an inspirational woman that I am now. And that is something that I will be proud of after this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Pablo.
Kain pa.
Next, please
Magka
join
kayo
me,
kain pa.
Kainta.
Women have inspired you all throughout your life. Now tell us about how you have inspired another woman.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageants are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And tonight, I am not only representing myself, but every Filipino woman who sees themselves in me. I hope to inspire every Filipina that just like the universe, we too are limitless.
Next is Rebecca.
Kasi Bulacan, di ko po alam yung pang
always face challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has a standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing your other delegates with me who have helped me to become
Thank you, Bulacan. And now, Taguig.
Makudado niya si Tagi.
Thank you. What is the biggest challenge you face as a Filipino woman, and what do you do to hurdle the challenge?
I think one of the biggest challenges that Filipino face today are being limited by still being shadowed by, unfortunately, men or society. But I think with my platform and me standing here in front of you today, I can encourage women that you too can stand up, you can be strong, you can be powerful, and you can own your own destiny, like I said.